Hey guys, so I ended up scraping the last video I did. It was horrible, and I will not share it on YouTube, but I may share it on my Facebook page. So if you belong to my Facebook page, Christina Welch Art, you might get to see it there. Okay, so it's still a little tacky, pinky, ready. Oh boy, it was awful. And I tried to do a black swipe over it and it just did not work. So, alright, so I'm going to use up the rest of this purple and I'm going to throw in some phthalo turquoise and some lime green and whatever color this is. It's a different shade of lime green, but I'm going to use it up because I really don't. Oh, it's a pearl, and that is a Craftsmart paint, green metallic. Like I said in previous videos, I'm trying to use up these little bottles. So I'm going to start with white. I'm going to do 2 flip cups. I'll start with white. Oh, I didn't spray my cup. That's okay. We're going to set that aside. Well, I'm doing flips, so it doesn't really matter. When I'm pouring, I like to have all the color come out. I want a generous amount of white in there. So I did a boo-boost. I'll use up this purple first. This is a dark one. It's probably dioxazine. No, this is dioxazine purple. Either way, they're both dry dark. So I might as well just go ahead and put this one on top of it. So we're going to have a lot of purple in this one. There, that's about even. Okay, we'll follow that with, let's follow that with phthalo turquoise. All my paints have treadmill silicone in them. I'm trying to get these bottles of paint emptied today. So when they're working on my studio here, I can be cleaning bottles outside, so if we get a warmer day. So I'm going to go ahead and put this metallic green in. And we'll do a little bit more purple. A little bit more turquoise. It's pretty thick. And it shouldn't be. I don't do thick. Okay, and I'll put a touch of white on that from up high. Psychedelic. Of all the colors I have sitting here, I don't see anything else I might want to add. Actually I do. I have a little bit of this left. It's a cerulean blue. Oh, actually, you know what this is? And I misspoke on the last video. This is a manganese blue that I got from Soho Paints, and I just love this color. And it's so pretty when it's dry. Their colors run pretty close to what they are in the tube, which surprised me. Okay. So we're just going to flip them. I should give them a little stir. That cup is so pretty. Look. Let's hope it pours pretty. Okay. I never get a perfect flip. I always get leakers. Oh, that's pretty. Easy up. The lime green. I love lime green and purple together. I have a ton of lids here. I've got to figure out which ones go where. That was the cerulean. I get rid of that one. I keep them if they don't have a lot of paint on them and reuse them. But I've been shaking them a little bit in those containers. Let's do this one first. Loving the white there. I'm going to tip this cup sideways. I might need the for the corners. Now let me show you the difference when you don't use the silicone in your cup. There's a lot of paint in there. See? So I think she's done oozing. I'll hit it with the torch. I'm just popping some air bubbles is all. This is what I'm doing right now. I'm not, I think all my cells are already up that are going to be here surface. When I stretch it out, I may get more cells. I'm just wondering what that's going to do when I tilt. So let's go this way first. I'm going to roll it around just a little bit first. Today's a purple day. But I've said it in so many videos how many jars of paint I have sitting here, and I still have a ton. I'd have to use about 20 canvases probably to use them all up. Some in there. I bought tweezers, just haven't brought them out here yet. I had tweezers out here, but when you have kids, things come up missing. So I'm going to wipe my hands and torch that. Let's see what else we get. I may dump some more of that white off. I'm about 4 or 5 inches above the canvas, and I don't stay in one spot too long, and I never stand over my canvas because of the fumes. They always tell us we should wear respirators, but It's hard to talk and do a video while wearing a respirator. Okay. I think I'm going to leave it alone because it's still coming up through. I'll give you a close-up. See all that stuff that's happening there? It's going to be pretty. Okay. I think I'll leave this alone. Yeah. I love this here, the green and the that phthalo turquoise and lime green together. It's pretty. Okay, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and click on the bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and leave a comment. I love getting comments, and I'll let you know if I can help you with anything. I do answer a lot of questions, and I do offer links to some of the products that I use. But most of the time it's just saying thank you to you for watching. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art, and you'll get to see dried results there probably before everybody else does. And if you have questions, you can contact me through Facebook as well if you have more detailed questions or if I can help you in any way. I am going to start doing a few tutorials, especially the airbrush tutorial that I've been telling everybody about. A lot of girls are getting them, and they're just, you know, some of them are afraid to use them. So probably the end of this week, which would be around February 2nd or 3rd, I may start with one small tutorial, and it'll be on a tile. So if you want to get yourselves a tile, it doesn't have to be this big, maybe a 6 by 10 tile, or you can even use a small one if that's all you have, or an old canvas, or even a record album. I'm going to show you how to fan out your edges with the airbrush if you have one. So stay tuned for that. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.